In this video, we'll talk about these 3 habits that will make you rich, whether riches in money, health, relationship, or others. After all, to be rich is to be abundant in something or to have a high quality of something. This video isn't intended to make habit formation extremely easy or rocket science either. We honestly recommend starting out one habit at a time. If you start out everything you plan or learn at the same time, you will fall back very easily because they will seem difficult. Give yourself 20 days or so for the first habit and then add another one. It takes about a month to form a habit. Once it becomes a habit, the action becomes automatic and requires less mental effort to keep it going. So when you add it to the next one, it will be easier for you to keep going. Here at the Wealthy Club, we bring you valuable content on money, mindset, and motivation. To become a member of the Wealthy Club, simply click on the subscribe button now. The 3 habits that will make you rich are: Habit 1. Non-stop investment. These habits can be categorized into 4 types. 1. Investment in yourself. Rich people are extremely devoted to self-development and improvement. To be sincere, you are the most valuable asset you will ever have. Every dollar you want to make exists already and currently lives in the pocket of another, but will never come to this current version of you. Hence, why you need to upskill and refine yourself. You can jump on Allison, Udemy, Coursera, Skillshare, and others to start learning and improving yourself. Go for that long overdue MBA or degree, learn that new skill, save up for that desired course or masterclass, or join that mastermind group. And in all that you do, keep learning. The difference between where you are and where you want to be is information. Go for it. Be uncomfortable and frequently come out of your comfort zone by doing things you fear the most. Keep learning. 2. Investment in your tools. Rich people double down on what's working and what puts food on the table before throwing money around on shiny objects. Regardless of your profession, there's always a new tool, gadget, or book produced to make your work easier, faster, or better. Invest in such first and other things next. Invest in what brings in the money and increases your productivity. Enhance your skills in the booming niche and keep investing in your tools. Number 3. Investment in relationships. As earlier stated, the distance between yourself and your big break may be a piece of information away, a phone call away, a referral, or a person away. Find quality relationships and friendships and nurture them. To reap from relationship, you must have sown into the said relationship. Be present for your friends and network. Give freely before you need. There's always something to give: your time, money, recommendation, and a lot more. Stay clear of toxic relationship. That's not an investment. It is a bondage. Surround yourself with people that push you forward. Number 4. Investment in assets. The philosophy of the rich and the poor is this: the rich invest their money and spend what is left. The poor spend their money and invest what is left. While the poor can't be blamed, especially when they earn so little and rack up many bills, excuses will do no good either. Building wealth involves developing good habits, like regularly putting money away in intervals for solid investment, such as real estate, shares, stocks, and others. Having a budget and sticking to it, reducing expenses through delayed gratification, and importantly, upskilling. Because many times, earning more solves these problems faster than cutting down your basic needs. If you don't find a means of multiplying money, you will wake up one day to realize that the money you thought you had has finished because inflation ate it up or it flowed out of your pocket. It is a currency for a reason. It flows. Investment is key, but do your due diligence. Habit number 2. Great attitude. This is equally divided into 4 parts, which are: 1. Positive thoughts. The amount of time we spend believing we can't is more than enough time to learn how we can. Your thoughts create your emotions create your reactions create your habits create your life. Think positive thoughts only. Never self-reject or undermine your ability. Stop saying, "I can't apply for this role. What if I'm not hired?" Apply anyway. A rich person never says, "I can't afford it." They always say, "How can I afford it?" One cancels your ability to think up options, the other opens it. Shoot for the stars, undertake big projects, dream big dreams, and get to work to actualize them. Number 2, develop soft skills. You will agree that hard skills alone won't make anyone rich or successful. One needs to incorporate and maximize other things, such as soft skills. Important soft skills that the rich focus on are conflict resolution, interpersonal skills, reliability, delegation, research, analytical thinking, confidence, and lots more. You can simply do some research on soft skills, analyze your strengths and deficits, and work towards improving on them. Number 3, delaying gratification. This is one habit that will guarantee you peace of mind in a world that is material focused. Don't get us wrong. The essence of working hard is to live well and enjoy the good things in life at the right time. The timing matters. The rich are patient enough to watch their investments grow and spoil themselves with the proceeds, and not the capital. When you practice delayed gratification, you will minimize debt or eliminate it totally. It also helps you to find and block loopholes that will tempt you when you are willing to wait. Number 4, emotional intelligence and social skills. On average, rich people are socially and emotionally strong. This is because we live in a world that functions on perception. How people see you and perceive you determines your value. Hence, why one needs to be self-aware, empathic, and genuinely interested in others to win the favor of others so you can move forward. Habit number 3, quality lifestyle. This can be categorized into 5 points, which are 1. Early rising. Ben Franklin was reported to have said that early to bed and early to rise keeps a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. There's this calmness that comes with waking up early. Experts advise 5 a.m. or 5:30 a.m. Waking up this early sets you ahead of the others by 2 hours or more. It gives you time to meditate without being distracted by anything or anyone. Also, it helps you think clearly, since your brain hasn't been loaded yet with too much noise, distractions, and work. Try waking up early, and hopefully it works for you, because like many things, there's no one size fits. 2. Good diet and exercise. The rich are particular about what they eat, where they eat, and the nutrients of their meals. You have just one body and you need it to be healthy, strong, and sound to enjoy the rewards of your hard work in later years. So take good care of it. No matter how hard you train, if your diet is poor, you probably won't make any significant progress. You can't outtrain a bad diet, and we can't emphasize this enough. Reduce or eliminate soda, processed sugar, and other unhealthy lifestyle. Incorporate simple exercises into your daily routine like jogging, running, cycling, long walks, and others. Eat home-cooked meals, drink lots of water, and love your vegetables. Treat your body right. Good health is your ultimate wealth. Number 3, avid reading. Reading makes and builds you, but it's not enough to read general books. The quality of those books determines the results you will get. Read far and read wide on different topics that interest you and the network you want to penetrate. We can't recommend that you read a particular type of book because your current needs, deficit skills, and stage of growth might differ from the next person. So this is what you should do instead. Sit down and analyze what you have and what is lacking. For example, if you notice that you are great at managing money but poor at managing relationships, you will need to get great books on that topic. With that, you can have a measurable goal and progress that will make you happy and fulfilled. Reading generic books won't give you the desired result. There is a book review playlist on this channel which will be filled with reviews of great books on different topics such as wealth, productivity, money, and many more. Click the subscribe button to get notified when they drop. Number 4. Cautious use of social media. Because the rich do not have a consumer mindset, they use social media with caution. Only pick up your phone in the morning after you've taken the first few minutes or hour of the day to plan your day, connect with your inner self, and get clarity about your goals before getting drawn in 100 directions on social media. This will help you stay happier and feel better. Post quality content on social media, which will open great doors for you and help you to gain access to decision makers. Social media is a leveler of all social classes. You can simply stroll into the DM of a CEO in one click. Use it wisely. Number 5. Planning. The rich are dedicated planners. They plan different aspects of their lives and stick to them, from their daily to-dos to finances to meetings and even their career pathways. They plan and prepare for the rainy day through emergency funds, spreading their investment into short, medium and long term, and they plan for their kids and retirement early. These habits help one stay ahead of the curve. Good habits are a sure way to build successful routines, and the more successful routine one has, the more their quality of life will improve. A productive life is never an accident. It is always the result of a commitment to excellence, intelligent planning, and focused effort. In all sincerity, a lot of people know what to do, but few people actually do what they know. Knowing is not enough. You must take action. Same with what you've watched in this video. Take action immediately. Thanks for sticking with us to the end. Which of these points are you incorporating right away? And which one have you been doing before now? Share in the comments.